What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a Q&A while I showed you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. I don't wear makeup every day, and even when I do, it's really minimalistic, and I had someone also request me to do a more natural makeup tutorial and tell them my favorite products for that natural look. So I hope this video helped you, and also I hope you guys stay tuned so you guys can see all the questions everybody asked me. I did get my backdrop in, but please ignore it. It is super wrinkly and I need to like iron it or something. So yeah, but I do love it. I love the color. I'm gonna see the questions that people ask me and what I do for my everyday makeup tutorial, for a natural makeup tutorial, and just keep on watching. Okay, so I got my coffee. I got my questions. Ignore what's on the back. I literally have all my stuff back here, which I should probably take out for the video, but my sister got this for me because I literally always lose my wallet. I always just lose my stuff in general, but anyways, so I use this to hold my cards, which isn't safe, but I do it anyways, and it works. So I'm gonna answer these questions while I do my makeup. Today's makeup is gonna be a natural makeup tutorial. One of my friends, Ariana, shout out to you, girl, she was asking like the best my favorite natural makeup products, and so I'm gonna take a flat top brush like this, and we're just gonna go ahead, dip into the concealer. Like I said, I'll do a more in-depth brow video soon, very soon. So we're just gonna blend this out, and I'm gonna start answering questions. Let's just answer the first one while we're here. I'm gonna pull up Instagram. If you don't follow me, the link will be down below. The first question is, what do you think about Laura Lee's drama? Honest to goodness, I don't really watch Laura Lee because I think her voice is so annoying. I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks that or what, but I just can't. I can't with her voice. And I don't know. I watch Jeffree Star a lot, and I know they got beef, so plus I heard that she was kind of just a rude person. I just was like, okay, she tweeted what she tweeted, like she did it a long time ago. Her apology isn't to me because I'm not of that race, so I'm not in the place to be like, yeah, you're forgiven, because that's not, it wasn't offensive to me, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really feel like I'm like in the place to forgive her. I don't know, I'm just not the biggest fan of her. I don't know a whole lot about her, but I know that she has a lot of drama around her and she has a really annoying voice. So that's how I feel about it. I'm kind of just like, well, I'm not in the place to forgive her, so I'm just gonna move on with my life because it doesn't affect me because I don't watch her anyways. What do you think about the tea? I want to know in the comments below. So I just took a neutral shade on my lid. I literally will just sometimes take Sweetheart and Smarty Pants, and yeah, I just do a little bit of wash of color every day. Like, that's kind of all I do. So the next question is, how much does it cost to look as fine as you do monthly? Well, thanks, boo, love you. But I mean, like, I tan and I do my nails and I do my lashes, which, by the way, I am getting rid of my lashes just because I've had them for so long, and I really just think it's time for me to, I just feel like I'm not at my true potential when it comes to makeup, and I feel like these things just get in the way, and how am I gonna keep moving forward and getting better and getting to my true potential if I just stay here, you know, with these? So I'm gonna get rid of them, and I'm gonna start using fake lashes and doing more dramatic looks. I'm super excited. But anyways, so if you are including all that stuff, what I do, like, I spend $60 a month because I do 3-week fills on my lashes, and then I do $50 a month on tanning, and then these, I don't really do these all the time, to be honest, but like a fill's $35, I think. So $145, whoa, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I don't really buy makeup every single, like, month. It's just so much money, honestly. Makeup is so expensive. So, no, I don't buy it every month. And I also don't wear it every day. That's why I'm here to show you guys my actual everyday makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm going to do the same combo on my face as I did on my eyes. So, I literally only put it in the places that I like. If you're going more for a natural look, you want to do less makeup. So I always moisturize because I have really dry skin. Oh, look at that. I forgot something. This is such... Okay, guys, I couldn't recommend this product more. Whether you're like going all out with your makeup and you just need it to last, or doing your everyday makeup and you just want to soften everything, like, you don't even have to wear... I've seen people wear this and then just wear this and put powder over the top. Like, this stuff really does work wonders, guys, and I love it. Yes, I'm putting it back on top of my concealer because I forgot to do it up here. I don't really like feeling makeup on my skin. I know this is kind of a lot. My face is actually really bad right now, so I do want to cover it up a little bit more. But especially in the summer, I don't like feeling makeup. I'll do my makeup a little bit more in the winter, but I don't like feeling like it's sliding off. Don't forget to blend it down here and hit your ears. This is why I just wear concealer. It covers up enough and it looks so natural. So then I use the Coty Airspun face powder and just set everything. Let me answer another question here. The next one is, do you still pick your boogers and eat them? So sweet. You know what? You're gonna meet the person that asked me that in about 5 minutes, because my sis is coming over right now, and of course she would ask me that. I was like reading it so seriously. So bad. You're the worst. Love you though. But seriously, will you marry me, Dorothy? I'm telling you right now. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. 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 How are you such a good dog mom? Oh my goodness. So this is my princess. She doesn't have her collar on right now, but she actually matches my background. Harley, can you say hi? She definitely is camera shy. She doesn't like it. Yes. You're so cute. Don't lick my face. Don't you lick my face. I'm gonna do a separate video about her. Honestly, I just love her to death, and I think she is the one that makes me a good dog mom. Facts. Fave highlighter and why? You know what? I'm gonna answer that in just a second after I go onto this, because I'll just do it. To be quite honest, I would just like stop here or just add like a little bit of blush, but I'm gonna go a little bit more. I'm just gonna go into the Butter Bronzer. This is like my favorite one for really natural looks. It's pretty light, and honestly this is like the only one that I use, but I think it's just so buildable and so nice, and it smells so good. It smells like you're on vacation. If you guys are looking for a drugstore matte bronzer that's just like, it's just perfect, this is the one that you want. So like I said, I don't normally do all this, but I am going to go do some stuff, so might as well. But yeah, and honestly, I don't like the super bright under eye with the super dark contour. Like, I don't contour. I just kind of do that and take a smaller brush for my forehead, because you can't miss your forehead. I'm going to use this blush. This is my Becca Trio, and I think if you're going for more of a natural look, just keep it creams. You know, just do a little bit of concealer, do a little bit of blush, cream highlighter. Liquid highlighters are amazing for an all-natural skin, and honestly, sometimes I don't even powder. So I'm gonna take these 3 shades, all of them, because I love a blushy look. I'm going to use my favorite highlighter. Honestly, it's so hard to pick a favorite highlighter because I have so many favorite highlighters. The Amrezy one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's so pretty, and it makes, it's just like got such a pretty gold to it. Definitely spray your face with MAC Fix Plus or any face spray, the Rose Water by Mario Badescu, that one's always a good one. And you're just gonna hit the tip of your nose and the bridge of your nose. I just think this is such a pretty highlighter. I can't. It's so pretty. Like, look at that glow.
The manager and the hostess of the thing. And anyway, they took serving it. So one day your grandpa bought a package of peppered bacon, and he wrapped and cooked it up at home, and he wrapped it up in a paper towel and took it down there. When we ordered our meal, the waitress brought us our food, our egg and toast and whatever, and then we pulled out our bacon. And when she came back to the table, she's like, she saw this surprised look on her face, like, what happened? Where did you guys get the bacon? I'll never forget that look she had on her face. And your grandpa told her, well, we just fixed our own bacon at home and brought it down here and told the lady that was working down there, and she just laughed or whatever, you know, we just had to.
You guys are funny, Grandma.
No, honey, we're just a couple of crazy people.
You guys are the best. By the way, we love our grandma. She's just such a dork, and I just love it. And, ooh, now we're calling my mom.
Hi. We just got off the phone with your mother and father, and they crack us up, telling us how they bring their own snacks to McDonald's.
Yes, they do. Like the people at McDonald's love my parents.
I can see that. Everybody loves them.
Yes, but I believe it too. It was just the way she said it. She was like, in fact, they want us to come to McDonald's.
Lindsay,
Mom,
stop hating. I literally just said we're getting a black one.
Yeah, but it's
A brand new black comforter.
it still will have hair on it.
Yeah, but it's gonna be black hair,
disgusting.
Kinsey. No one will even notice that it's there. And I don't even have to wash it at that point. I'm totally playing. I actually clean my bed every week.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I do laundry every Sunday. Okay, so literally my sister just dropped on over. She didn't want to be filmed, whatever. Obviously you saw some of that footage right there. We called my mom and my grandma, and you know, that was like an hour long. So we're gonna go back to the tutorial. Go ahead and go in. Highlight the tip of my brow. Just gonna put lip gloss on. I think that is the perfect way to finish off a look is with gloss, and this is literally almost out. So I hope that this answers some of your guys' questions. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and had fun. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, question and answers, let me know. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, and comment down below if you guys want to see anything from me. But yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.